If GOG Galaxy is showing the out-of-string range error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. We'll start with the quickest solutions first, then move on to the more important ones like clearing the GOG cache, updating GOG Galaxy, reinstalling the app, and finally verifying your game files if the error is happening inside a game. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick fix guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's restart GOG Galaxy, because sometimes this error is caused by a temporary app issue. Open Task Manager on your PC. You can do that by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard, or by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager. Once it opens, look for GOG Galaxy in the list of running apps or background processes. Click on GOG Galaxy, then right-click it, and choose End Task. This fully closes the program and stops any stuck processes. After that, reopen GOG Galaxy normally and check if the error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next fix is the most important one, clearing the GOG cache. This step solves a lot of strange launch and sync issues, including the out-of-string range error. First, close GOG Galaxy completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Then press Windows+R on your keyboard to open the run box. In the text field, type %programdata %gog.com/galaxy/cache. Then press Enter. A folder will open with cache files inside it. Select all the files in that folder and delete them. Don't worry, this does not remove your games or uninstall GOG Galaxy. It only clears temporary data that may be causing the error. After deleting the files, restart GOG Galaxy and see if the issue is fixed. Now, if you're still getting the error, the next thing to do is update GOG Galaxy. Bugs like this are often fixed in newer versions, so running an outdated version can cause problems. Open GOG Galaxy, then click the gear icon in the top corner to open Settings. From there, look for the Check for Updates option and click it. If an update is available, install it and let the app restart. Once it finishes, try launching the app or your game again. If the error still won't go away, the best fix is to reinstall GOG Galaxy completely. This gives you a fresh install and removes any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. First, uninstall GOG Galaxy from your system through Windows Apps or Control Panel. After it is removed, go to GOG.com and download the latest official version of GOG Galaxy. Then install it again using the fresh installer. Once the installation is complete, sign back in and test it again. In many cases, this resolves persistent errors that clearing the cache alone cannot fix. And if the error appears when opening a specific game, then you should check the game files next. Open GOG Galaxy and go to your installed games. Select the game that is giving you the error. Then open Settings, go to Manage Installation, and choose Verify or Repair. This will scan the game files and replace anything missing or damaged. Let the process complete fully, then try launching the game again. So to recap, the fastest fix is restarting GOG Galaxy. The most important fix is clearing the cache. Then you can update the app, reinstall it if needed, and verify your game files if the problem is inside a game. One of these steps should fix the out-of-string range error and get you back into GOG Galaxy smoothly. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, gaming fixes, and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.